Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to change the language of Microsoft Edge browser. Open Edge browser and press three dots on top right corner of the screen and go to Settings. On the left tab, go to Languages, and in Preferred Languages tab, press Add Languages and search any language that you want. For example, I will add German. Okay, now press three dots and press move to the top, and then make sure there's a check mark in front of display Microsoft Edge in this language option. Now let's restart the Edge browser for the changes to take effect. Let's try any website like youtube.com. Yeah, as you can see, it is in German language now. Just for the information, for the website to be in selected language, the website need to support this language. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.